Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change Crosshair in Rivals Roblox. Before we dive in this tutorial, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So what you want to do is basically type Roblox Rivals Crosshair, and then you got lots of websites, but the one you need is this one, Pro Game Guides. So just press on this website, and here you got this basic tutorial about crosshairs in Roblox Rivals. So you just need to scroll down, and here you can have this guide, the setting guide for Roblox crosshairs. So for example, you got the static, you got the disabled, you got the rotation, you got the bar spacing, bar length, etc. So yeah, just take a look at this guide and you can check all the settings, all the crosshair settings. And that's it guys, so I hope this video was useful. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you on another video.